What's the meaning of assistance? Assistance. Assistance.
Assistance. Assistance. Assistance refers to the act of providing help or support to someone in need. It involves giving aid or assistance to someone who requires it, either physically, emotionally, financially, or otherwise. It can also involve offering guidance, advice, or resources to help individuals or groups achieve their goals or overcome challenges. Assistance is often provided by professionals such as doctors, counselors, and social workers, but it can also come from friends, family members, or members of a community. Overall, assistance is an essential aspect of human interaction and can make a significant difference in people's lives.